Do you want muted conversations to stay archived automatically on Signal? In this video, I will show you how to keep muted chats archived on the Signal app step by step, so archived conversations won't come back to your main chat list when new messages arrive. So let's go to see how it works. So go to Signal app. In this page, you will find these three dots on above, so we'll tap on three dots. Here you will find settings. You will enter to settings. In this page of settings, you will find chat settings. You will click here. And then in this page, you will find here keep muted chats archived. As you see here, muted chats that are archived will remain archived when a new message arrives. So we tap here to enable it like this. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.